welcome to the headlines of the month of October. We've had an incredible lineup of events, celebrations, and achievements that made this month truly special. I'm Atharv Yadav and I am excited to take you through the main highlights. Let's begin with some of the wonderful things that happened at HIS. On October 4th, Tiny Toons at Himalaya International School celebrated National Animal Day through a delightful critter costume cavalcade. Students from classes nursery to 2nd dressed up as their favorite animals, parading around as mini lions, tigers, rabbits, and more. The event was a charming way to instill love for animals in the young minds and promoting empathy and respect for all living creatures. October 5th marked a successful parent-teacher meeting at Himalaya International School, where parents and teachers gathered to discuss students' progress under the guidance of Chairperson Mr. Sunil Dora and other senior leaders. Teachers shared insights into each child's academic strengths and areas for improvement. The PTM provided a warm environment for parents to ask questions, fostering a collaborative spirit between families and the school. As part of the Dussehra festivities, on October 8th, students from classes 6 to 8 participated in a creative Raman effigy designing competition. Students used their art skills and imagination to craft effigies of Ramana, adding a hands-on element to their understanding of the Dussehra story. The activity celebrated the symbolic triumph of good over evil while encouraging teamwork and creativity among the students. October 9th brought the festive spirit of Navratri to life at Himalaya International School. Classes 1st and 2nd enjoyed a joyful Dandiya Ras celebration, while the older students from class 6 to 12th participated in the dazzling Dandiya fiesta. Dressed in colorful traditional attire, students danced to lively folk music, spreading happiness and excitement across the campus. October 9th also witnessed a puppet drama competition for classes 3rd to 5th. Creative artists captivated audiences with innovative storytelling skills in the legendary Finger Fantasy competition. Through colorful finger puppets, students brought legendary tales and folk tales to life, impressing judges and audiences alike. On October 10th, the school community gathered to celebrate pre-Dussehra with a symbolic Ravan Dahan ritual, emphasizing the victory of good over evil. Students and staff watched as the Ravan effigy burned, reflecting on the values such as courage and integrity. Classes 3rd to 5th also enjoyed a spirited Dandiya Ras, further enriching the festive atmosphere. From October 14th to 19th, Himalaya International School celebrated Social Science Week with engaging activities for all classes. The week began with an inaugural assembly by classes 11th and 12th, setting an inspiring tone. On October 15th. An inter-house declamation competition saw students speak passionately about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's vision for India. Younger students enjoyed a time-travel trivia quiz, making history fun and educational. Continuing Social Science Week, students showcased their creativity on October 18th with an inter-class display board decoration competition for classes 4th and 5th, focusing on historical figures and monuments. The week concluded on October 19th with a painting competition and a puppet making and speaking competition, highlighting India's national symbols and cultural diversity, giving students a chance to express their understanding of heritage through art. The pre-Diwali festivities at Himalaya International School on October 24th saw students from class 6 to 9th participated in a Festivity Finery Forge competition. Students showcased their creativity by designing Diwali decorations, capturing the essence of the festival through their artistic creations and spreading festive cheer across the school. On October 25th, students from classes 3rd to 5th brightened up the school with an inter-house Rangoli making competition, creating vibrant designs in celebration of Diwali. Classes 9 to 12th joined in the welcome decor competition, adding beauty to the school premises and making the atmosphere festive and inviting for all. October was a month filled with vibrant celebrations and community spirit at Himalaya International School, with two major events that stood out. On October 16th, the campus was alive with the festive beats of Garba during the Bal Ras with Mamma Dandiya Fiesta, organized for nursery to UKG students and their mothers. This joyous event held across all branches including 80 Feet Road, Do Batti and Bajaj Khana, kicked off with a ceremonial lamp lighting for Goddess Durga. The celebration was graced by Chairman Mr. Sunil Dora, Mrs. Hani Dora, Director Mr. Aditya Dora, Academic Director Mr. H.S. Khalsa, and principals from various branches. The vibrant atmosphere was enhanced as mother and children, dressed in colorful Garba attire, participated in a lively competition, with awards such as Charming Pair of the Day and Garba Queen, adding to the excitement. The evening concluded with a heartwarming aarti, leaving everyone with joyful memories. The festivities continued with the Grand Hostel Day celebration on October 26th, which was themed around Diwali. Hostel students dazzled the audience with performances including South Indian dance, hip hop, tandav, and bhangra, showcasing their incredible talent. The event, attended by the school's leadership team, Chairman Mr. Sunil Dora, Mrs. Hani Dora, Director Mr. Aditya Dora, Academic Director Mr. H.S. Khalsa, Principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt, and others, was marked by the lighting of ceremonial lamp and a beautiful Ganesh Vandana. Students who excelled in academics and sports were recognized for their achievements, bringing immense pride to the school community. Academic Director Mr. H.S. Khalsa concluded the evening with warm Diwali wishes, emphasizing the importance of such events in fostering unity and school spirit. These October celebrations truly brought the school community together, creating lasting memories and a festive spirit that will carry us into the coming months. Stay tuned for exciting moments from Himalaya International School as we continue to celebrate the spirit of togetherness. Remember, festivals bring us closer and celebration create lasting memories. Thank you for being part of our October's festivities.